The first viewpoint is the bridge. You can get here one of two ways, either by hiking up the paved trail or taking the shuttle bus.
Oh, wow.
And yes, seeing this in person for the first time was a dream, and it did take my breath away.
Are you kidding me?
Now, this bridge is normally crawling with tourists, but I was on the very first shuttle, first thing in the morning, and I outran everyone so that I could get to the bridge and have it for a moment by myself. As you can see, the people eventually did catch up with me. I was actually kind of surprised there weren't more people trying to get on the first shuttle, but it worked. Across the bridge and up a hiking trail is going to be your second viewpoint, and from here you can see the second castle hanging out over there to the right. There is the bridge down below just for perspective, and here's a look at the trail. It is not great, but it's not bad either. This area of the world does get a lot of rain though, so I'm assuming it looks like this most of the time. On my way back down, I was shocked to get the bridge alone again for a little while. The shuttle only runs every half hour, so once the first shuttle load of people had started to walk up towards the castle, I got it alone for a minute before the second shuttle load of people started to inundate the bridge at that point in time. You could honestly hike up the paved trail though before any of the shuttle buses start, and you could pretty much guarantee you'd have this place to yourself. And just like that, the second bus arrived. Viewpoint number 3 is illegal, so proceed at your own risk. It used to be a viewpoint, so there is a trail that's leading up there, but you do have to go through a section of the barbed wire fence and not get caught. Okay, see how there's a path that's worn off to the right? Don't keep going down that road. Instead, you're going to go up the hill, and you do kind of have to bushwhack it a little bit. But then you pop out into the old trail that's just covered in leaves now. So then you walk up to this view, which feels like something straight out of a Disney movie. Guys, I'm not gonna lie though, I'm kind of a rule follower, so this made me super nervous. And on my way back down, I had to jump back into the woods and hide for a little bit while some workers that you could tell clearly worked at the castle drove by, and then I went back through the barbed wire fence and carried on my way up to the castle. The closer you get to it, the more you realize this place is massive. They are extremely strict on your ticket time, so I would say you need to get there at least an hour to an hour and a half early by the time you park. You walk all the way up to the castle, and you're gonna lollygag because you're gonna want to take some photos and videos. Please don't support this. It is so steep and those horses are carrying way too much weight. Okay, now where to stay. I was blown away by my hotel, the Amaron Neuschwanstein. Look at that view. Are you kidding me? It's right at the base of the castle. There's the new Schwanky building, and then there is the old original one, which is where I stayed. I loved my bedroom though, and as soon as I walked in, I'm like, there's no way. There's no way I have a view of the castle. But sure enough, right outside my window, you could see that beauty from my bed. And even better, I could see the other castle through my other windows. I am like a kid at a candy store with a good breakfast buffet, and this one did not disappoint. The entire place is beautiful. They have several restaurants, several bars, as you can see, and if I could do my trip over again, I would have stayed here 2 nights so that I could enjoy the spa on another one of the days. The spa has a view of the lake. And speaking of the lake, I went here the night that I got in right at sunset, and it was one of the most peaceful and beautiful places I swear I've ever been. I've been wanting to come to this part of Germany for a really long time, and it more than exceeded all of my expectations. I honestly can't wait to visit again one day. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Thanks, guys.